Yeah, it's sunny here. Sunny and hot. But it's not as sunny as, not hot, as hot as the lower 48. Lower 48 is really hot. Right, Jelana? We're lucky. Oo, Princess Joy. Bata pa kasi. Yeah, 7:20 p.m. Heather, hi. It's 7:24 now. Oh. Give some to Julina now. Mm-hmm. Oh, where did you guys? Heather, where did you guys from? It's 7:25 here.
Oh, can I sit on this one? That's the big one.
Mama.
Anong may bugas? May momo?
Mama. Mommy, hi. Mom.
Where are you? Oh, together? I like that. I like that together. Oh, it's 7:25 here.
It's Hannah.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. Are you gonna do your thingy? Sandbox? No sandbox?
Yeah.
Oh, you can take a shower later again. No?
Oh, you just took a shower.
Yeah.
Sandbox? No sandbox?
Look how I did it.
Okay, where you going? What are you eating?
I'll walk away.
Okay, give that to Julie. Maybe she likes it. Princess, okay. Okay lang yan.
Honey?
Where you guys? Oh, Jade, you want that candy? Jade, here you go.
I'll put some gas in it when you park it.
Oh, there's no gas.
Turn it off, Jake. I know, but turn it off.
But you have to turn it off before you check gas. There's still some? Oh, okay. A lot? Okay. Oh, Jewel is not... Did you take off her hole? Why she's not on her hole?
Because it's nice and cool everywhere over there.
Okay, where do you
Want to
live?
take a break now, Jade?
Mom.
So here, let me have that.
Jelana, you wanna say bye, guys?